Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Today I am going to show you something for your seed starters to help you start your seeds, another way to start your seeds. How about that? Let's put it that way. It's a little trick that I learned and I want to share it with you, especially in these times. Waste not, want not. So we need to use everything we have in any way that we can. So I'm going to show you this trick. Now I know a lot of you all have already started your seeds, but if you're really truly gardening, we start seeds all the time, or we plant all the time, or we drop seeds all the time, because there's always something you can grow. It doesn't matter what time of the year it is. You can find a way to grow something indoors, outdoors, or however, and we're always starting seeds. So let's go ahead and get started.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay, we are back, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all, and I'd also appreciate if you take a minute and head over to Facebook after the video and join my Facebook group, Container Crops. I want to see what you all are growing over there. The group is for you all. It's not for me. So please post your pics, post your videos. Let's communicate over there as well. And you can also find me at the Scaredy Cat Gardener on IG as well. Okay, I'm going to bring you all in a little closer so I can show you just what to do. Okay, as you can see, I have a bunch of toilet paper rollers here. These are biodegradable, and you can make them into little seed starting cups, seed starter packets. You just put your soil in it, and I'm going to show you how to create it. When you get ready to plant your plant, you don't even need to take it apart because it's biodegradable. It will decompose. The only thing you're going to do is take the bottom loose, and that way your roots will continue to grow. You can also do this with paper towel rollers. You'll just need to do a little bit more cutting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what to do. So don't throw your toilet paper holders away, guys. They're valuable. You can keep these and start your seeds in them. So what you want to do is take a simple toilet paper holder. You're going to need a ruler or something where you can mark measurements from. I don't have a ruler, I can't find it, and a pair of scissors. It's going to help if you have some good scissors, and mine aren't so, but we're going to use them anyway. So take the paper towel holder or the toilet paper roll holder and fold it in half. And you can make these any size you want up to pretty much the length of this. You can do little short ones if you want, or you can do them full length. I kind of like them this length. That's a good length for me. Then you can put them under your grow lights. When you get ready to plant them, you don't have to take the cardboard off. Just open up the bottom. So fold it first in half like that, then in half one more time. Once you have it in half one more time, that's when you're going to take your ruler. And if I had a ruler, I'd just put it up here and measure. The reason why you're measuring is so that you can get all of them pretty much the same height, as close as possible. So I like a shorter bottom on mine. So I'm just going to mark it right across here. Just draw a simple line right across there. Flip it over and draw the same line on the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be neat. After that, you want to take your scissors and cut right up to the line. Then you want to open it up just a little bit and stick your scissors in there and cut where it's folded at, up again to the line. And then you're going to do the other side, up again to the line. Then you're going to open it all the way up again, flip it upside down. And I like to fold them out this way because it sets a crease. And you can see where I'm going with this, can't you? It's going to be like a box. Now, you can sit it down. It's pretty even. It's not perfect. It doesn't have to be. So once you've got it like a box, we're going to fold it like a box to close the bottom. So one flap in, one flap over, the next flap in, nope, wrong one. The next flap in, then you want to go in and lift this up a little bit and push that in just like you would fold any other cardboard box. And then fold it down and push it in some. You can stick your finger in there and make it kind of flat. And I had mine a little bit off on my measurements, so we're going to do this again, but you get the idea, right? So I'm going to do another one, see if I can't get it a little bit more flatter, like I have these over here that I've already done. You fold it in again, but you get the point, and that's the main thing. Like I said, it does not have to be perfect. So we're going to go in here, mark across that way, mark across that way. Go ahead and cut up to your line. Cut up to your line again. And one more time. Now, open it back up. Again, fold them down so you can kind of see where you're headed with this. And then treat it like a box. Fold one flap in, then the other flap in, then the other flap in. Then you want to go in, pull this side up, and stick this in, and that's much better. Then after that, grab your soil, and you can just scoop it out just scoop it out. Scoop it out into your little container here. And there you have it. And there you have it. And that's all it is to it, guys. That's all it is to it. Okay, guys, that's a simple trick. Easy enough for everyone to do or try to do. So if you got anything out of this video, please do two things for me. Give it a like and share it out. I really would appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.